Oh, is anyone there? No? Oh, bugger. What? Just playing on my PS3. Got a problem? Alright, fine. Oh, we're rolling? Alright. Hi guys, it's Vapid Square obviously, and today, I'm ill. If you couldn't tell by my previous video, which you should watch. I need the views. I need all of them. Please help me. But yeah, today we're going to be looking at my PC. Now this PC was briefly shown in my desk review. It was mostly just a meme sort of thing. But yeah, we're going to be looking at my PC. I built it all by myself. Didn't have much help, just got told where to put things by Fran. Link in the description, it probably won't be, I'll probably forget by upload it. But yeah, we're just going to be looking around it, and I've done pan shots and all that to show what I'm on about. But yeah, let's go on with the thing. This is a Cooler Master case. I forgot the name of it, but yeah, it's Cooler Master case. It's the older model with the acrylic side panel and without the glass and no RGB. It's micro ATX, not mini ATX. It's not full ATX. It can support mini ATX, but I would never advise ever getting a mini ATX case unless you're having a home theatre setup just for web browsing and no gaming. Because I feel like mini ATX is kind of pointless. It looks like a midget. It looks like Peter Dinklage. But yeah, we're also going to be looking at the specs of the PC, so also benchmarks and all that. Just one benchmark. I think one benchmark sort of susses it all out. So yeah, let's go on with the specs first. I've talked about the case and all that. Now, the specs we have are a Intel Pentium G4560, a GTX 960. Don't know the brand of it. I think it's a Chinese model. The motherboard is a H110C. I have 8 gigs of DDR4 Dell OEM RAM. I have a 550 watt Corsair power supply, and what else is there? I'm trying to think. I've got a Wi-Fi adapter. I think that's about it. And I got one fan in there because the front has 2 intakes but no fans. You can put fans on there, but it wasn't in my budget. So now let's actually look inside of the case. It's a nice case actually. I'm not gonna lie, my personal opinion here. So warning before I say anything. I like this case. I think it's a bit small. Would have liked it a bit wider, but I do like this case. But you see the problems I have with the motherboard and all that in a minute as soon as I open the case. So let me quickly just get my screwdriver. If I quickly show you, oh yeah, there's a bit, God, it's a bit bent here. It's connected by this power supply. Yeah, this is the the Intel Pentium G4560. As you can see, this lovely cable management. Yeah, no overclocking, it's stock. The RAM is right there. You can't see it because my lighting is non-existent. We've got 2 hard drives. Forgot to mention that. 1 terabyte and then another terabyte. And here is the power supply. I don't know why I was rubbing it. The fan. It's a nice fan, a bit loud though. The motherboard's a bit too small. It can't fit. Even though it has 3 PCI slots, well, 1 full PCI and then 2 mini PCI. So let's say there's one for the Wi-Fi adapter and let's say a game capture card. It won't fit. But yeah, I don't even know what model this is. But yeah, it supports SLI. So yeah, now we're gonna look at some benchmarks on CS:GO compared to my other PC. Pentium Gold.
Oh yeah! That's the way we do it.